Before we can install NGINX, we'll need to update our server's package index. This will ensure that when we install NGINX, all the package repositories are up to date. So to do this, you'll first need to type in the following command: apt update. Now we need to install NGINX. So type in apt install NGINX. It's asking if we're okay with the additional disk space that will be used. I'll type in Y and press enter. So you can see the status from the progress bar here. So with NGINX now installed, we can test to make sure that it's working by visiting the floating IP address in our web browser. So I just have an empty browser here. I'm going to take our IP address, I'm going to copy it. You're going to do the same. You're going to have a different IP address. And then you're going to paste it in here and press enter. So as soon as you do that, you'll see the welcome to NGINX page. And this tells you that the server was properly installed.